Hi, Mia. Hi. Mwah. Oh, pretty. Mwah. Kisses. Mm. Oh, what does that mean? Really? What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh, that means... does that mean look at my legs? And big girl legs. So I could touch my toes now. Yeah, look at you. Yeah. You could touch your toes. Wow. Wow. Hi, Mia. Mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, look at me. Touch my toes. Big girl now. You're such a big girl now. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Give me kisses, Grandma. Mwah. Mwah. Yeah.